This is my 2010 JK Jeep. It's a two-door, as you can see. It's lifted 2.5 inch. I like it a lot, but I'm not very happy with this exhaust. It's ugly, it's restrictive, it's hanging low. So I'm thinking of a new project with this. The sound, well, not very exciting. This muffler is very big, but we'll make a cold start and listen to it. Well, it's not really a cold start. I took a drive before, but it's a start anyway, and I'll rev a bit so we hear the sound of the standard exhaust system. Okay, there it was, revving to around 3,500. Yeah, it's raining today, so it's perfect Jeep weather. Let's take a look below. Yeah, here is the midsection. It is from 2010 when this Jeep was built. It's in okay shape, but if I look here, I see the hanger is a bit corroded. So I'm thinking of a full catback system, and I have something special in mind. If we look here now, and in this section, there is some extra room, and I'm thinking of making use for this room for something. I'll explain later. Yeah, this big bulky and muffler has been replaced sometime. Looks much newer than the rest of the system. It's raining even worse now, so better get inside. I was thinking of replacing the exhaust, and I really wanted a 3-inch system. The only one I found was from AFE Power, Advanced Flow Engineering. That was a 3-inch system, and it was advertised to be for a 4. It's raining even worse now, so better get inside. When I was searching for an exhaust, I very much would like a 3-inch system for the Jeep, because bigger is better. The only I found was from AFE, Advanced Flow Engineering, and that was advertised for a 4-door Wrangler. Well, I have a 2-door, so that was a problem. But when I checked the instruction, in the text it says if it is shortened by approximately 20 inches, it will fit a 2-door Wrangler. So I got this one from AFE Power. Now I will install it. Yeah, bigger is better. That was bare brakes. I checked the sound on some YouTube clips, but I thought that it was a bit noisy with drone. There's no resonator, I mean mid muffler installed coming with this system. And that could be a problem. The standard Jeep has a very big end muffler, and that's going to be replaced with this smaller one. So I was afraid that it's going to be noisy. So I will try to, as a resonator, install this smaller muffler. And if you remember from before when I was under the car, that might be some room for it, and I hope we can fix it. So shorten this mid pipe with 20 inches and then shorten it further to get room for this resonator, and hopefully we will make it. The system comes with all the clamps, like this is a 3-inch clamp, and also the 2.5-inch clamps for the transition from the original Jeep system to this 3-inch pipe at the beginning. So this is a 2.5-inch. So that was good, because some of the systems, they don't come with this first clamp. When I checked the hangers, rubber hangers on my Jeep, I found them very, very hard. And of course they can be, because they are from 2010 when the car was built. And I wanted new hangers, because if you have a new system you should get new hangers, more flexible and for sound insulation and everything. But I couldn't get them. They were impossible to order on internet. So I had to figure out the solution. And then MickeGson, running the MickeGson Service Garage here, he suggested that I should go and talk to friends running an import company here. It's a small village where pretty much everybody knows everybody. I went over to them, and they had hangers for many cars. And then I found exactly the right measurement. I needed around 42 millimeters CC, and this diameter was a 1/2-inch diameter for the bracket. So I found them, and I hope they will work. With the 3-inch system, I get more horsepower. And according to AFE, they've done a dyno test on it, and it gives 13 horsepower and adds 15 pound-foot of torque. And here I have the dyno chart. The torque is mostly improved at the bottom of the RPM, which is exactly what I like for the Jeep. It's not a race car anyways, so horsepower, well, not so important, but torque is really good. And it's also the 3.8 engine. The later 3.6 is more powerful, but if I can make this a little bit better and maybe get better fuel mileage, it's just fine. I think to install this muffler we need to cut here, because this diameter slips perfectly onto the diameter we have here, and this is larger, that slips on here. So this is around 45 centimeters, and then another 20 inches, which is 50 centimeters, need to be cut from this pipe, which is 90, it is here. So it will work, if there is room for this muffler. I'm not sure about it, we'll see. Custom made AFE power exhaust. Now I'm at MickeGson Service garage just outside Båstad in Boarp. He's a really good mechanic, ex-rally mechanic, so I get help from him. Let's bring the Jeep in. With the car on the lift, it's very much easier. I can see now it's time for replacement anyway of this mid section, at least, even if the end muffler is okay, but this is in bad shape. Okay, let's start by removing the old system. Making the tube on the anti-skid plate a bit more flat, then we get more room. Job done. It was not easy, especially with we had to move the muffler down and to the center of the car with this transformation here, and also at the front. Beautiful work. And from the back, it's much higher than standard. Oh, first start. Wow, completely different. Ja, gasa lite. Lot of work. It's a totally different experience with the Jeep now. The sound is much darker and feels more powerful. I'm happy that we put in the resonator, because otherwise I think it had been very noisy. Now it's okay. I can hear the sound clearly, dark tone, but not too much. Great work by MickeGson. I'm happy. How does it sound compared to the old one? First we listen to the old one again. Now let's listen to the AFE MACH power with an extra resonator. I think better, but not too much. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.